Oh, we're here. Like so. They look cooler here as
Oh.
we're here now.
Oh my god, they're all cats.
So excited.
That's like a cool shop.
Oh, my childhood.
Oh my god, they're all your friends.
Yeah, you can pay it as $150 back. Oh, yeah.
Yeah? So there's no point in coming earlier than that. So, Song Wat Road is actually listed as one of the world's coolest streets in the entire world. I think it's listed like among the top 40.
Do you know what I just realized as well? Our whole itinerary today is more like what we've seen online.
Yeah, it's actually not bad.
Yeah.
I mean, our motto is always trying to go to like the local places, but we decided to go a bit more street viral and stuff like that and see how it actually is.
Oh, wow. The elephant. I'm gonna take some pictures.
Also, another tip that you learn here is that a lot of people online saying that to come here as early as you can, so to avoid a crowd. But there's actually no crowd at all right now. As we are.
What time is it now?
Yes, 1 o'clock. Oh, it's 1:30 right now. But the reason why there's no crowd is because most of these shops and places are actually open from midday. So if you go early in the morning,
you won't see anything.
Nothing will be open.
Yeah.
So there's no point in coming earlier than that.
So where are we now? Oh, we're here.
Yeah, Song Wat Road. You're on the thing, huh? So there's all these roads here as well. I mean, last time we were in Thailand as well, so it's not too far from here.
I heard that it's not far from the museum, so this is the art house.
Yeah, I think that's a lot house there.
Yeah. That's cool, isn't it?
Yeah. It feels so calm and peaceful here.
Yeah,
So calm and peaceful.
It's a lot cooler here as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the place.
Oh yeah. Do you want to do that?
Yeah? Do you want?
Oh yeah, that's like a viral theme place, isn't it?
Yes.
Let's go then. Oh.
We're here now.
Which one are we going? The
Get the time.
Pork shumai and Thai milk tea.
Yeah. Sorry, can I have the pork shumai, please? Only pork shumai? And with the milk, Thai milk tea. Thank you.
Thank you. So we got that one there. That's the one that gone viral. Whatever you want to try. The dim sum and the drink combo. Wow, look at that. Everything just made in house. Thank you, Compton Cup.
Oops, mate. So excited.
How much was this? 160.
Yeah, 160. Cool.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Oh, that's proper tea. Right, should we try the... Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh wow, that's so fresh. So we got the pork shumai. That's crisp, and they got a crispy topping as well.
That's nice.
Wow, good start.
It's Noodles. I swear wherever we go, we see a cat picture with something.
Always. Yeah.
Oh, do you want to take a picture there?
Oh my god, yeah. Look at that.
That's
How cool.
I'll leave my bag there.
Yeah. Do you want a picture or a video? 3, 2, 1.
Sharon is Karen. I just saw a place. It was like an afternoon tea.
Yeah, I saw like the sign that said flea market.
Oh. There's a lot of food in it.
Yeah. So many cool for a place.
A lot of
Restaurant too.
unique coffee shops as well. Oh, here.
Oh wow.
It smells Taiwanese.
Yeah. Where we are right now in Song Wat Road is very close to Chinatown, Yaowarat.
Yeah, it's not far.
Yeah, only a few minutes away. So typically everyone would go to here in Song Wat and then to Thailand and also Yaowarat as well.
Yeah,
But,
like mostly have your coffee, brunch, chill vibes.
yeah, it's all walking distance
from
from each other.
in the Chinatown.
Yeah, but for us today, we already been to Yaowarat previously. So we're just gonna stay in Song Wat and then trying to get
never been
maybe a
here
drink.
before.
Oh, it's a Vietnamese restaurant.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a banh mi.
Oh yeah, that's cool. Can't get me away from the toilets.
Oh my god, they're all cats. That looks like Noodles chilling.
What, the ginger one?
Yeah. What are you spitting?
The next stand just like a chicken.
Roasted chicken.
Oh my god, this looks like Noodles. See, this is why I need my glasses. I thought this was a cat.
That's like a cool shop.
It is cool.
Oh,
Sorry.
sorry.
Let's wait here.
Wow, that was so cool.
No.
So, in Song Wat, it's like literally on the main road here. But then there's a lot of alleyways where filled up with
Lot of
other
side
street
roads.
arts as well
Yeah.
and nice, really cool coffee shop.
Unique coffee shops.
Yeah, definitely.
And a
Looking
lot of
around.
boutique stores as well.
Yes, yeah.
And also, because we're quite close to Chinatown, there's a bit of a warehouse for some things.
Yeah, it's quite cool. Add like
Yeah.
a local feel to it. There's a thing.
Should we?
Yeah, let's go. Photobooth. Oh,
Oh, this.
how do we do this?
Get some privacy.
In a photo booth.
It's just
So-
QR code here. No?
I don't think we'll be able to pay all that. Select print quality. 150 baht.
Yeah.
Confirm.
Oh,
Prompt
okay.
pay.
No.
Oh, card. We can pay with card. Oh. Oh dear.
Oh no.
We can't pay.
No.
QR, prompt pay, e-wallet, credit.
No.
After complete payment. Oh no.
Okay.
We can't pay. Now.
We
Sauce,
try
mate.
next time.
But look, there's one here. Oh look, this bit's cool.
We can go through here.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Oh my god, they're all your friends.
Big for you. This place looks cool. It's another one.
Ah.
Can we go in?
Yeah, go on now.
Look.
Oh, Powerpuff Girls.
Oh, my childhood. There's other stickers here too. That's really cool.
Do you want to sit? Sit and I'll take a video.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Can I sit on it though?
Yeah, should be fine.
Oh, this is nice bed. I like this one for you.
Down looks nice.
It's a good quote.
This actually is so cool.
Oh, look.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get this one.
There's this as well.
Oh, I've seen those one before.
It's nice.
This tie.
He's gonna put in his laptop.
I think that's. I'm just gonna get this one.
Yeah.
Sorry, card. Okay. Comfort cup. Oh yeah. Oh, I like that one.
You can have a look.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
It's quite a few.
It's pretty.
Look.
Oh, these are only $10 as well.
Yeah. So you can get quite a few. Oh my god, babe, that looks like him.
Looks like noodles. This one's so cool, actually.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get this as a tattoo.
Stick it there. That's the fast food. It's a fast food.
Oh yeah, fast food. Oh, it's ice cream.
Ooh.
Let's start playing.
Mini postcard vending.
Yeah.
Ah.
Ticket
So
for $10.
have you got full 10 baht though?
I
Probably
don't
not.
think I do.
Oh. Oh, let's see.
You can stand for us to start looking for a coffee shop.
Yeah. I was thinking, are we coming out at the end of it?
Yeah, so we can loop around.
Cross road.
Yeah.
It's so cool, you know?
Yeah. There's so many cool hidden alleyway, you know.
Yeah, and there's a lot of desserts.
Yeah. I think you're gonna cross one of the alleyway on this side. You're gonna go to the riverside.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
it's really cool.
Yeah, it's so cool. It's like a mixture of all the trendy new cafe shop and bakery.
Yeah.
And also there's a lot of warehouse and local shop here as well.
You know what? It kind of reminds me when we went to Hong Kong and we saw like all the street art.
Mm.
And it had like all the cool coffee shops as well.
Yeah. Such a vibrant street, isn't it?
It is.
Warehouse Sunday. Oh, warehouse Sundays. Oh, they pointed it like we can go in there.
I thought that too. Oh,
Yeah.
let's man the step.
Wait, what's this? Oh, should we go in here?
Yeah?
That's cool. Oh, there's a shuttle booth.
There's another one. You
I
can,
think that's the one everyone going to.
yeah, you can pay it as 150 baht.
Pay cash.
Cash.
Yeah.
Maybe someone will do it for you. I don't know.
Can pay cash here. There's no one here though. So.
Oh look, that's the one that you can put as a CD.
Oh, that's cool.
That.
Oh,
Thank you. Look.
oh, wow. Look at that.
There's a step there. If it is a step.
That's a cool bit, isn't it? Careful swim.
I can't swim.
Look.
Oh, I didn't know. I thought you were talking about the newspaper one.
No. There's one there. No one's in there. Then have a look. Oh, it's not even on.
Don't think it's our day to take some
Yeah.
photos.
Yeah, a lot of them you have to pay by QR code. But I think when you scan it, it will take you to a place. But we're trying to pay for it, but
Yeah.
it didn't let us pay for some reason. So
It kind of like crashed a little bit.
yeah, so and it's very, very, very hot in there. It's like a hot
when
box.
you close the curtain,
Yes.
it's like a steam box.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
couldn't stay there for more than 2 minutes, I would
Nah.
say. So I think we're gonna give up on that photo
Yeah.
booth. But
If you can tell, we're dripping in sweat.
all right, let's get a coffee for real.
Yeah, it's cool now.
Dying.
Yes.
Yeah, go on. Then.
Yeah.
Wow.
Ooh,
Ice cream crust. You wanna try it?
ice cream plus.
You try it?
Oh, I thought you can sit down.
There's seats upstairs.
Yeah, should we?
Yeah, I can try it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, go on. Then.
Yeah.
Oh, there's Thai toast.
Popcorn milk ice cream.
Like
Oh,
oh, there's here. Look.
and this one.
Yeah. What's that?
That one.
Popcorn.
Yeah, popcorn milk.
There's
cream.
milk. Oh,
yeah.
that sounds nice.
Yeah, this one.
OG
milk
toast.
cup.
Hi. Yes, please. Eat here, please. Yeah. Can we go upstairs? Yeah, please.
It's nice, isn't it? Thank you.
Thank you. Cup.
Look. Can't take any more pictures now. It's like-
Yeah.
Oh, mind your head too as well, huh?
I don't think I'm that tall.
Do you want to sit there or there?
Different.
It's gonna fall off.
Thank you. Okay. That's nice,
Yeah, that's cute.
For Song Wat. Yes, because we can't get the photo booth. We're gonna have to print our own one.
He's so cute.
Happy?
Good for the crunch.
What is it you ordered? Is it French toast or Thai toast or something like that, isn't it?
Yeah. It was like it's condensed milk, ice cream, Oreo. So yeah.
Feed me, feed me, feed me.
That is beautiful. Got to that in bed.
Oh my god.
It's nice, isn't it?
Oh my god. I didn't expect that.
It's beautiful.
The condensed milk is crazy. Is that condensed milk ice cream then? Or is it like syrup pure?
I think it's condensed like ice cream.
Is it? That's condensed milk is so
I'll
strong.
double check what we ordered on the receipt.
It might be toast with condensed milk on top and ice cream.
Or maybe condensed milk inside.
So guys, I think that's wrapped up for our today video.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been a full day.
It's been a lot.
Yeah, literally fully exploring.
It's been so much fun.
Yeah, like literally we enjoyed this place so much.
Yeah.
Yeah, all the places that we went to, I mean, we had expectation, but exceeded it all.
Yeah.
Yeah, no complaint.
Definitely worth the hype, I would say.
Yeah, 100%. And if you guys haven't gone to any of them places, I think you should add in it because
Yeah.
100% worth it, in our opinion, obviously. But yeah, we'll see you guys on the next video. We are still gonna be in Bangkok and do more exploring.
Yeah, we will.
Many more food to come.
All right then. See you
ya.
guys.
Bye.
Bye.